Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today we're going to be doing, I think it's day 3 look free. Sorry I didn't have the palette. It's day 3 look free with the beautiful Kimchi Chic Mojito palette. So if you haven't seen any of the other looks that I've created, that's what the palette looks like. It truly is a stunning palette. So yeah, we're going to be doing a third look with that. But I've just realised I've not actually put my primer down. It's not really a primer, it's just an eyeshadow base. And I'm using this one now. It's the W7 Get Set. Once I've used this, I think I'm going to get a proper eyeshadow base, maybe a white one. But yeah, that's what that looks like. So we're just going to pop a tiny bit of this on. I've used the NYX one up, finally. They do last forever, these bases. I bet I won't need to buy a new primer till probably the end of the year. I bet this lasts at least 6 months. So I'm about halfway done now with washing my eyeshadow brushes. I washed another 25. I'm not keeping them all. I'm not keeping 103 eyeshadow brushes in my collection. I want to downsize. So I'll see if there's any that I can pass on to my niece or my mum. My mum doesn't believe in using eyeshadow brushes. She just puts eyeshadow on with her finger. So yeah, it might be nice for her to have a brush or two. So I don't think I'm going to set the base. Normally I would go in with a white chocolate. I want to see what it looks like if I don't do that. Today I thought about using Mint Chip, this one here. So with that, I guess we're going to have to use Teal Dream again. Yeah, I'm guessing we'll have to use Teal Dream. And maybe to deepen it out, I'll use Sour Pop again. I have used those two mattes. They are really nice. But yeah, let's crack on with this look. Just going to run this Morphe brush through the colour switch. I need to get around to washing the ones that I've been using regularly, like the Morphe brushes and a few other brushes that are in the collection. But for now, I'll just show you what I've got. So that's all of them. I'll get them out if I can. Oh, God, there's so many of them. Right, so there's about 55 there or something like, yeah, about 55. Because I washed 30 the previous day and then 25, so that makes 55. So yeah, we will get there. I'm going to probably wash another 30 today. So then, like I said, we're pretty much halfway done with it. So I'm going to go in with Teal Dream. Like I said, I have used this one before. Let's zoom you in. Okay, we're up close and personal. And it's like I said in yesterday's video, I'm absolutely loving this palette. If you like grains, you'll love it. And if you don't like grains, I also said this yesterday, they do others. So they do a really nice, everyday, wearable, neutral palette. And then, where's the other brush that I need? So I'm going to try and go in with this oval brush by Morphe as well. And I think I'm going to go in with this deepest green in the palette, Sour Pop, and just kind of blend it back and forth here, just to deepen it out a bit and make a bit of a line. Okay, and then I think I'm just going to go in with Mint Chip. I think I used that yesterday actually, didn't I? I'm sure I used that yesterday with, or did I? I can't even remember what look I did yesterday now. I know I used this shade here, this yellow diamond shade, and I think I may have used Lime Fizz in the inner portion, so I don't think I did use the Mint Chip. I think I was going to at one point. And now I'm just going to go in with this flat packing brush from Morphe with the Mint Chip. Now this doesn't seem as pigmented as the other shades that I've tried, but it's certainly showing up on the eyes. Yeah, that's showing up well. I'm going to spritz the brush in a second. I'm actually liking that deeper green in the crease above the mint, what was it called? Teal Dream shade. Just gives it a little bit more contrast. Right, let's go and spritz the brush with my Primark Glow Intensity Setting Spray. Let's see if we can get it more pigmented. It's not looking any more pigmented, not really. Right, and then I'm going to use this smoky eyeshadow brush for the inner corners. I feel like I need to sneeze. Excuse me guys. I feel like I want to go in with Limoncello, which I don't normally go in with a matte. I just want to see what this looks like, and then maybe I'll go over that with a shimmer. I'm not too sure. Let me just do the other eye. I mean, it looks nice enough. It looks quite nice actually. I could just leave it there, but I feel like I want to go over it with maybe Yellow Diamond here or Pear Bear. Let's see what Pear Bear's like because I've not used it yet. Just over the top of that matte. You're not seeing it. I think the matte is just too bold a look, so you're not actually seeing the shimmer. I wonder if Yellow Diamond would show up a little bit more. Probably not. Oh, it is actually. Okay. Right, and then I'll go in with Sour Pop on the lash line. And wing that out a little bit. Right, now I'm going to tightline with the Too Faced Love eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in with the Essence Stylist Volume Mascara. Now I'm just going to go back in with Mint Shape. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a lipstick. I'm not really sure what to use again with this kind of look. I'll see what's in my lipstick order and I'll come straight back. I really struggled with the lipstick choice for today, so I just found this in my higher end lipsticks. So it's Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick and it's in the shade Primrose. So it's a really nude. It's quite pink tone though, that's the thing. I mean, I don't have too many completely nudes in my collection, so let's see how this goes. I didn't want to wear a lipstick that was too bold, otherwise it would clash with the green, so yeah, just thought I would wear this. Just wiping my lip oil off. It is quite pink toned, but it will just have to do for today. I need to find a lipstick quite cool tone to go with this green eyeshadow look, I think, because they're all greens and like yellows, so I definitely need to find a better lipstick than what I've been wearing the last 2 days. So yeah, tomorrow I don't know what shade I'm going to use. It's either going to be Lime Fizz all over the lid or Pear Bear. It might be Pear Bear because I'm sure I used this a little bit, although I've not used it all over the lid. Yeah, I think we'll go in with Pear Bear tomorrow, and then we can say that we've used all 3 of those yellows. The combination with this palette is a lot like the Colourpop palettes. They are quite monochromatic. I mean, you can certainly deepen them out like I've done today. This look is a lot different to the last 2 days that I've done, so it is different in that sense. But yeah, you are literally going to get quite a similar look on all 5 looks. So this is day 3, look 3, and this is the beautiful palette. I'm absolutely loving it, like I said in the beginning of this video, but that's no surprise considering it's full of greens. I could just look at this palette all day long. It's absolutely beautiful. So guys, this concludes the video. This is the overall eye look. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your support. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm currently working on a giveaway and I would love for you to take part. Please like, it really does help out the channel, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.